Hi everyone, welcome back to my other video. RC remote control Ironman Jeep unboxing and testing and unboxing open box remote control Jeep 4x4 and high speed high control Jeep, red color, very cool color, and the battery cell install and unbreakable remote control Jeep. Very nice finishing and quality. This is a remote, very cool and stylish. Back cover open and install two battery cell, double A size battery cell. Open back cover Jeep and 3 cell battery cell install. On forward back and right left. Forward press button and on headlight. Forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Very simple to use and indoor and outdoor use. Sunroof open. Unbreakable and wall hit and no damage, no break. And right left adjust on off. Forward and big size tire and press forward button and headlight blinking. Forward back. Market price almost 11 to 1200 rupees. Speed very nice speed and control RC control LED light and press forward back button and right left button. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon.